Hey, Ifia. Hey, your town's all set up. Who's in your town? Who's the good guys and who's the bad guys?
Oh, that's bad guy, that's bad guy, that's bad guy.
Yeah? Who's the good guy? Who's the leader? Who's in charge?
That one.
Godzilla? Godzilla's in charge?
No, that one.
The blue guy?
Better pack up later.
Better pick up later? Why are we picking up?
Pack up later. Oh, I'm telling you, pack up later. Time to go home.
What are the dice for? Are those bombs? Sophia, what are the dice? Or are they food packets for the monsters to eat? Are they food pellets?
Killing them.
Well, yeah, that's fun. We got monsters and we got giant ants crawling all over.
Go dead. Go away.
Hey, what do the ants taste like? Are they yummy?
No.
Are the ants carbonated?
Maybe get more people. Another alien. I got out the package.
Yeah?